Welcome to qnawire.
I'm going to start off by drawing this angle. I know that the angle is in quadrant 3 because it tells me it is. And I know that the cosine is 15 over 17. So that's the adjacent side to the angle over the hypotenuse. I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem to get that third side. So that's 225 and 289. Subtract 225 from both sides, and you're going to get a squared is 64, so a is just 8, square root of 64. Okay, so now I can get the sine of x. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. It's negative because it's in quadrant 3. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Positive, again, because it's in quadrant 3. To get the sine of 2x, that's 2 times the sine times the cosine. Sine is 8 over 15. Negative 8 over 15, rather. Cosine is negative 15 over 17. Sorry, negative 8 over 17 times negative 15 over 17. So that's going to give me a negative times a negative is positive. 16 times 15 is going to give me 240 over 17. And that's as simple as it's going to get. That's my answer for sine 2x. Cosine 2x, I'm going to take cosine squared minus sine squared. So cosine was negative 15 over 17 minus negative 8 over 17. Square that. 225 over 289 minus 64 over 289. 225 minus 64 is 161 over 289. And again, that's as simple as that gets. Now to find tangent of 2x, tangent of 2x is just equal to 2 times the tangent of x over 1 minus tan squared x. So we have 2 times 8 over 15 over 1 minus 8 over 15 squared. That's going to give me 16 over 15 in my numerator, 1 minus 64 over 225 in my denominator. So that's 225 over 225 minus 64 over 225. I'm going to have 16 over 15 over 161 over 225. Now I'm just going to multiply by the reciprocal. So 16 over 15 times 225 over 161. 15 goes into 225 15 times. Now multiply across. 16 times 15 is 240 over 15 times 161 over 2415. That is going to reduce to 16 over 161. There you go.